Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue Dr750s-1 channel installed on a Tesla Model X 2016. In this vehicle we've used the Blackvue Dr750s-1 channel, which is a front camera only. It allows you to record while you drive and also when the vehicle is parked in this case. We have ran the camera through the factory channel, so there's no wiring visible whatsoever in here. Everything clean and nice. There's no wiring that you see. You can see on the bottom here, wiring goes into the factory channel and goes up and disappear. Blackvue systems and other dash cams for many different vehicles can be found at our website. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.